Shundara Creates. But hold up, wait a minute, hold up, wait a minute. Let me put some boom on it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara Creates family. Make sure you thumbs up this video, Ohana Squad. And in this episode of Shundara Creates, we are making an edible s'mores slime. So I know you guys hear a lot about edible slimes, but this one is totally different. It's a s'mores one, and it's a summer slime, a summertime. So we doing an edible summertime s'mores slime. I'm gonna teach you how to make it, and after the video, we will be playing the emoji game if you want your shout out for Tuesday. So, Ohana, let's get into this video and let's go.
Start off with a bag of marshmallows. I'm just using the generic version that I got at Walmart. You guys know I love a good Walmart generic version brand. And this is a 12-ounce bag of marshmallows. I just had them in this plastic Ziploc bag because the bag actually kind of spilled, so that's why I'm using the generic version, and I have them in a Ziploc bag, you guys. But this is a 12-ounce bag of medium marshmallows. Now what you guys about to see me do is add canola oil. So I'm going to add 2 capfuls of canola oil, and this is just to ensure that our mixture doesn't stick once we take it out of the microwave. So what you could do is mix it, but I like to mix it after I put it in the microwave. So I put it in the microwave for 10 to 30 seconds, and I will say it really depends on your microwave. So I would say 30 to 40 seconds in the microwave until they melt. You don't want it too hot. And so what I'm doing now is mixing in that canola oil with the marshmallows until it's combined. It's still going to be a bit sticky, but that canola oil really helps it be less sticky. So after I've mixed in all that canola oil, I'm going to add a half a cup of powdered sugar to the mixture. You don't have to add a half a cup. You can use a cup. The more powdered sugar you add, the more it will become slime pretty quick. And this is just the rough marshmallow slime we're going to make for our s'more slime, which I'm really excited to show you guys the other process. So you just want to mix in that powdered sugar until it's all combined into your slime. You guys, this part is still sticky, so you will need more canola oil. So after I put a cup of powdered sugar onto freezer paper, or you can use parchment paper, and then I'm going to add the marshmallow mixture that I just needed in the powdered sugar. Once I've done that, I'm going to add more powdered sugar to the top of it. I'm going to add another cup. So you guys, all in all, I've probably used about a cup and a half of powdered sugar so far, and I'm just testing it to make sure it's not hot. And what I'm going to do is knead in that powdered sugar, and you want to knead it in really well. This is so sticky, and you guys see me, I'm like, sticky, because I really don't like sticky slimes. They irk me. But once I've kneaded it in, what you're going to see me do is add more canola oil so it can be less sticky. So I added about 2 tablespoons. I would say for this project I used about a 1/4 cup of canola oil, but I did it in increments, so make sure you guys do it in increments. And so what I'm doing is kneading in that canola oil just to make our slime stretchy and less sticky. Now I'm gonna add the chocolate chips, because this is what? A s'more slime, so you have to have chocolate chips, you guys. Also, once I've added those chocolate chips, I'm adding about a 1/4 cup. I would suggest mini chocolate chips for this one. It works better. Now I'm going to add 3 sheets of graham crackers, and I'm just going to break them apart. And what you see me adding in that whole sheet. Now I'm going to add in another 2 sheets to that, but they broke apart, as you could tell. So I had problems. I was like trying to dig out the rest of the sheets. So that's what you guys see me doing. So I would say about 3 sheets of graham crackers will work for this edible s'more slime. You guys, I'm really excited to eat this. I know it's so delicious. So once you've crumbled up your graham crackers inside your slime, you want to knead it in. So that's pretty much it. I'm just going to show you guys the kneading process. We're going to play with it a little bit, and then we're going to do the emoji game. So if you want to stay tuned for the kneading part and watch what it looks like, go ahead. It looks just like a s'more. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Shundara Creates. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you made this slime. Follow me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much. And make sure you stay tuned for the shout out. Oh, and I forgot to add, I did add more canola oil so it won't stick to my hands. The canola oil will help it be less sticky. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.
This is our s'more slime. It is so edible. So I just want to show you the chunks of granola, I mean not granola, graham cracker. So look at this chunk of graham cracker. Oh, we gotta turn the light down. Hold up. Look at that chunk of graham cracker. Y'all see that graham cracker? Wait, here, look it. Y'all see the graham cracker? Look, can you see it? Oh yes, all that graham cracker. Oh, so delicious. I'm so excited to eat it. So, I'm about to eat it. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god, you guys. I got it all over my mouth. Oh, this tastes just like a s'more. It is so good. Please make this. It is so delicious. Let me get another bite. Oh yeah. Oh my god. That slime was so delicious. Oh, just so bomb. Gotta give me my props for making a s'more slime. So good. So, Ohana, I really hope you enjoyed that s'more slime. It was so delicious. I really suggest you make it bomb diggity. So, let's play the emoji game. So every Saturday we play the emoji game at the end of the videos for your chance to get a shout out on Tuesday on all my social media sites. So if you would like to get a shout out, you have to play the emoji game every Saturday with us for a shout out Tuesday in a video, as well as my Instagram and Snapchat. So make sure you follow me on all those social media sites as well. And please, because I'm losing followers, y'all. I'm losing them. But anyways, in this episode of the emoji game, I have a special guest, and her name is Sonomi. Say hi. Are you our special guest for the emoji game today? So Sonomi said I've been playing the emoji game very easy for you guys. But wait. I will also say that her nickname is Cheeky Num Num. So I call her Cheeky Num Num, cause she cheeky num num. Chooky meow. So we're going to play the emoji game with our special guest. We would like 2 clowns, 1 alien, 1 robot, 2 bowls of ramen, 1 house, 2 cars, an ambulance, 1 sushi, a birthday cake, a little baby, a pregnant mama, 2 blue hearts for blue, 1 crying emoji, of course a heart eye emoji, because y'all know that's my favorite emoji. I can't go without the heart eye emoji. 1 sad face emoji. And also, last but not least, let's throw those dollars in the air. So you guys, I really hope you get all those emojis right for your chance to get a shout out. Also, you have to answer this question. I like to do a question as well, so I know you guys can get this question. What is your favorite slime of all times? If you're still into slime, what is your favorite slime of all times? Is it edible slime? Is it no glue slime? Is it glue slime? Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite slime? I hope you get all those emojis right, and I'll see you for Shout Out Tuesday. Bye, you guys. I'll say bye, Cheeky Num Num. Say bye. Also, I'm gonna leave a question up if you guys would like me to start vlogging again. So I'm gonna leave that in the questionnaire. So if you would like me to start vlogging, let me know. Love you guys so much. Say bye, cheeky num num. See, she don't talk. Now she was talking during the whole video. Now she don't want to say nothing. Say, I love you. I love you. Bye, you guys.